Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing a 1/18 scale Tesla Roadster model directly from Tesla. Okay, I'm opening the pack now. Yes. Okay, so I've opened the box. I'm going to take out the car. It seems like the car is in some sort of egg carton shaped thingy. Okay, I've taken the box off now. Yeah, there it is. So somewhere in there is the car. There's also some other stuff in the box that I will show you later on. And okay, here it is. I'm just going to show you the certificate of authenticity. It just tells you that like it's officially from Tesla. And what I think is very funny about this is that they've spelled authenticity wrong. If you notice what it is, tell me in the comments. There is one spelling mistake, and I know they did that purposely. I think that's just a very funny small feature. Now I'm opening it up. Actually, first of all, I'm just going to look around. Yes, there it is. I've already taken my first peek and now I've opened it up. See, it even says Tesla Roadster on the packaging. Okay, and there's the car. It is actually quite a bit heavier than you would imagine. As you can see, it's kind of a struggle taking it out of the box perfectly. Yes. And there's the other piece of the packaging, also says Tesla on it, also branded. And here is the Tesla Roadster. Okay, for some reason it comes with what looks like just a normal tissue paper in the box. I guess that's to clean it, or maybe just a joke from Tesla. They like joking around. And then here it is. It's the Roadster. Now I'm just going to show you around it, show you what it can do, how like its cool features, and show you around the design, which I think is absolutely amazing. And look, even in the boot, you have the roof. I'm going to open the boot now. See, there's no front trunk. Okay, I'm going to open the boot now and take out the roof, because obviously the Roadster is a convertible, as the name suggests. There it is. Okay, that's also in a small plastic bag for extra protection, I guess. I'm going to take it out and place the roof on the car. See how that looks. And there it is. Actually, to be honest, it's quite harder, like it's quite a lot harder to put on the roof than it looks, because it's not very easy to get it into place. But there, yes, I've got it. Yeah, so it's an awesome design. I really like it. It looks exactly like the original, like the real car. So I think the attention to detail is just awesome. And even the other side, it has a diffuser. The wheels are extremely detailed. They even have the red brake calipers, like in the real car. And the front view, the headlights are very detailed. The interior is very detailed. I'm not sure you can see this on camera, but from my perspective, I can see that there's like carbon fiber trim and aluminium trim inside too, which looks very cool. And yeah, basically the attention to detail on this car is simply amazing. Yeah, there's inside the boot. And I've noticed there's also some like felt material inside the boot, which I think is a very cool feature, like you get in real cars. Like, it's a very small feature, but it kind of adds to the experience when you know how much they've really paid attention to the details on this car. Yes. By the way, another thing I've noticed on the model Roadster is that when you turn the steering yoke inside the car, the wheels on the car actually turn. And the same thing happens when you turn the wheels. Then the yoke turns. I think that is a very cool feature. So, now that we've come to an end of this video, I can tell you that all things considered, it is definitely worth to pay $250 for this model Roadster because it is very cool, very detailed, and I think it's just a good thing to have.